everybody, and welcome to the Wolf Pit. Hey, tonight we're going to make shrimp and asparagus in a garlic sauce. We're going to start off with probably about a quarter cup of olive oil. This is going to be as our sauce as well as what we saute the shrimp and the asparagus in. About 8 large cloves of garlic. And about a half a pound of asparagus. Add a little black pepper, about a teaspoon. Now again, this is going to be our sauce for our pasta, so don't worry about how much salt and pepper go into this right now. About a teaspoon of salt. Right after 2 minutes, we're going to add in 12 ounces of medium shrimp. After the shrimp are cooked for about 1 minute, we're going to add in half a stick of butter. Now we're going to add in about 8 ounces of penne pasta. It's been cooked for about 7 minutes. Alright, I've turned our heat off, and we're just going to mix this in and let the pasta finish cooking with the residual heat from the butter and the olive oil and the shrimp. And these shrimp probably cook maybe for about 2.5 minutes total. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. And this is it. This is our shrimp and asparagus with penne pasta. Alright, our shrimp and asparagus are done. So we're going to go ahead, I topped it off with some Parmesan cheese. There's no rule in my house where you can't use cheese and seafood. If you like it, use it. Topped it off with some Parmesan cheese and some red pepper flakes. Drizzled some of the sauce on top of it too. It smells really, really good, so we're going to go ahead and dig in here and let's try a piece of asparagus here real quick. See how this turn out. Perfect. Tender. Still has a little crunch to it. Let's get shrimp and some pasta. Oops. Even though we used a whole half a stick of butter in this, the sauce is really extremely light. Very, very garlicky. And you get a nice little bite from the red peppers I used in there too. I didn't put them in the sauce only because my daughter doesn't like them. So I just garnished mine with them. So let's see if we can get a little bite of everything in here. There we go. Our shrimp, asparagus, penne pasta. Let's get one more shrimp here. Alright. The shrimp are cooked perfectly. Nice and tender. Hope you give this a try. It's really, really simple. It took me about 10 minutes to cook. Thank you guys very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.